This one was pretty cute, huh?
It's our first ever Airbnb experience. I feel like it set the bar pretty high.
Yeah. We're staying at one tonight, so
we'll see.
Let's see how that
This one was so cute. We had such a good time in this town. It's kind of sad because I feel like when's the next time we're going to be in this area?
Never.
We loaded up the car and hit the road, driving south to Auckland. This was going to be a long day on the road. New Zealand highways are windy, hard to pass on, and typically only 2-laned. And because of that, Google Maps estimates are not always accurate.
Here we are eating lunch.
Not proud.
Yay, McDonald's.
Like, we have watched videos where, like, people go to McDonald's in other countries and we're, like, judging them so hardcore. Like, why would you do that? You need to eat somewhere local. Well, sometimes it's like, what's the fastest, quickest thing? We can't find
Especially when you're on the highway.
Yeah, and, like, we can't find anything that's, like, quick, like, in and out, and so I apologize to all those that I've criticized. How does it compare to apple?
Tastes about the same.
Yeah.
Yep, just as good.
Or as good as it can be.
As good as McDonald's is. Well, we got our McDonald's, and we are now happy. And we got our frappuccinos and our, what'd you get?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino coffee. So, we are heading to Auckland now, and I think we're about halfway there, a little more than halfway. We will probably arrive maybe in a couple hours, 2 hours or so, and check out our next Airbnb before we explore Auckland. We are here in Auckland, south of Auckland, but still considered Auckland. And with the rain, it took a little longer to get here than what was planned. And so we're trying to figure out what to do. We thought about taking a ferry, but by the time we get there, it'll be time to come back. So
originally we had kind of planned that for like today's like adventure, we would take this ferry over to this island and kind of explore around a bit. But like you said, the problem is that the ferry, because it's a Tuesday, the ferry stops running like at 7:30 and it takes 40 minutes to get over to the island. So we would pretty much just ride the ferry over and then ride it back by the time it's done. So we're kind of stuck. We're trying to figure out what we want to do for the evening. Unfortunately, we may do something really bad. We may just go to a mall. Only because like I need face wash and like I
some
really
flip-flops.
Yeah, I like you guys like saw the video of me hiking in my flip-flops yesterday and I kind of blew them out, but also like my lips are sunburned. I need to get some like lip balm with SPF in it.
Yeah.
So anyways, those are our excuses on why I think we're going to go to a mall. After shopping around at the mall, we headed to dinner at a Thai food restaurant near the marina at Half Moon Bay. One thing I'm beginning to miss is ice water, which apparently is just a thing in the US.
Today was a little bit of a slower day, so we're sorry about that.
It was rainy.
It was rainy, and
Lots of driving.
yeah, a lot of driving. So
5 hours on the road is takes it out of you. Kinda.
tomorrow will be much more exciting. We have planned to go to some glowworm caves and Hobbiton.
But we're doing the dinner at Hobbiton, not just the tour.
Yes.
So we'll see how that goes.
I'm super excited about that.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah.
For sure. Little did we know that the next day would turn out to be one of our favorites for the entire trip. Make sure to check back in with us for our next couple of videos as we share our amazing experience.